are having this, right? But that's not what we want. And of course, I forgot one thing. We actually want to put this the entirety of this inside a row. So say div of row and then call that 6. And then let's place this inside here. Okay. Sorry. Alright, so actually we are going to take this away. We are going to copy the whole of this, sorry. Keep going. And I will put it here. And if I refresh, we're supposed to have some changes, good. But then if you're checking from here, in this section, you realize that um, the test is not spanning across. So for the SAC test, we are going to put a width of, let's say, 80 to restrict the width. So if I refresh, good. So let me put some color. Of course, I'm not going to assign it here. I'll just assign it right over here. White test. We are good to go. So if I refresh, there you go. But the text is quite small, so let me increase the font size. So we're going to have no, it's right over here. Let's say 3. And then let's say font width of, let's say, 400. Okay, so that looks good. So this is for the first section. This is for design the first section. So the next section that we are going to design is this particular section. That's what we'll be designing next. But I have to add that you realize that when we hover on this button, it changes color, same as this. So I have to define classes for this to do this magic. So if I come here, what I may do is, let's go up. What we can do is, for this button here, we can copy this and then say whenever we hover over it, the background color should change. So background should change to, let's say, deep green. So if I refresh and I hover, it changes. But you can see that this doesn't change, so we'll do same for this particular one too. We'll do same for this particular one. So let's say for this second button, let's give it a class of white. Class of, let's say, white. Right. So we'll come here and then say any button with the class white, when we hover, the background color deep white. So if we come here and then we refresh, realize that when I hover, it changes. But then we want the cursor to be pointed, not as we are saying. It should be a pointer. So we'll go back to the button, the original button, and then we'll say cursor pointer. Good. So now if I refresh, there you go. Good. There you go. So we are done with the first section, which is this particular one. But of course,